Welcome everyone. This is Abby. I'm going to focus my tutorial today on posting assignments. So once you have your class, you guys already know you go to Classwork and then you click create and you can do assignments, quiz, material. Let's start with assignments. One thing I found really helpful was that you can make topics, and this is super helpful because I feel like it keeps things organized and students know where to look for things. And then if you create something that doesn't have a topic, you can make it right then and there. So you give your document a title, what you want students to do. You can give it a point designation, or you don't have to grade it. You can give it a due date, or you don't have to. And even if you give it a due date, students can still submit work after that due date. And then you have a lot of options. I like to upload my videos from my website to SafeShare TV. So for example, this is a website that I have. So I don't like posting things from YouTube because you know how click happy everybody is. So who knows what they're going to click on after that. And they'll go, oh, but you posted this. I said, no, that's not the video I posted. That is a link from YouTube. Anyway, if you subscribe to SafeShare, you can get, I think it's like 20 videos for free. Otherwise, after 20, it's, right now I'm only paying $5 a month. So on SafeShare, it just takes you to the video and the video only, which is pretty awesome. So anyway, I like to take the link from this, copy it, and put it as a link. And then that way students are just only getting the video and not whatever's on YouTube. And this, let me show an example of that really quick. If I put, for example, ¿Cómo estás? There's my video. And I add that. And we'll just say, ¿Cómo estás? Watch videos. And that's under emotions. So if we go here, I already showed you what that one looked like, but let's see if it works in here. Yep. Just go right to it, watch it. Now let's see what happens when we do this. Okay, I'm going to go to the end. See, look, I can already click on other videos. Yep, and then it's going to pull up all this other stuff. Oh, definitely they're going to click on this one.
Great. Another one.
Oh, ad.
So many of them are full of this complicated tricky.
See, and then you have ads and everything. No, thank you. I definitely recommend SafeShare. And we'll end with this song. I do just want to say they have this song in Spanish. And it's just as awesome. Tiburón bebé, turu turu, tiburón bebé.
Turu turu, tiburón bebé, turu turu, bebé. Tiburón mamá, turu turu, tiburón mamá.
So all you needed to know about at least posting, I guess, a video for one of your assignments on your classwork. Of course, now I can't get it. Oh, here we go. Yep. So, a little quick tip. I guess I ended up talking more about posting certain kinds of videos, but as you can see in the assignments, you can post lots of different things. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for listening. Sorry it's kind of long.